This is a video on how to make a tiny bow using a couple of tools. I took two regular dinner forks, 4-tine dinner forks, and taped them together side by side, both on the handle and on the top. And then I took got a pair of scissors, any kind of scissors, to cut the line whenever you're through making your bow. So I start by taking the tine, the ribbon or jute or whatever you're using, and set it off in the middle of the forks, like so. This is going to be the tail of the ribbon when you tie the knot. And then you take the line, ribbon, jute, whatever, and wrap it around how many ever times you want. I'm going to wrap mine 4 times. 4 times around. Then you cut the tail on this end, whatever length you want, you think you want. You can trim it when you get done. Cut it. And then you bring this line through the middle tine and slip this up so you can get this through here, and slip it through here. You get this tine, go around and slip it through the bottom like so. Pull them tight, real good and tight. Pull this one back up and then tie it in a knot. Tie it in a knot. This works really well with jute. Like so. And then you pull it off your fork. You've got a nice little bow. Like so. And then you cut your ends to be the same length. These are terrible scissors for this. So now you can glue it to your projects. Hi there. This is a video on how to make a teeny tiny bow using embroidery thread. First you need a dinner fork. It has to have 4 tines because you have to have a center to be able to pull the ribbon, the thread through, and a pair of scissors. So here's the thread. I'm going to use it with all the threads still attached in one. I'm not separating the threads at all. Bring the first thread through the middle and hold it like so, and then wrap it around how many ever times you want for the fullness of the bow, right? So since this is embroidery thread, I'm going to wrap it quite a bit. I don't know how many times that went around. Then cut the line, pull it up a little bit. You got this bottom row here. Take this top one that you just did and bring it through the middle and thread it through the bottom, below that bottom section there, the bottom part of the ribbon you just pulled around. And then you pull it like so. And you take the top one and bring it around and through the bottom like so. Then you tie them off real tight. Okay, so pull them both together and tie them off real tight. I made a little bow for a bunny rabbit chalk design, and it turned out so cute with this. I wanted to share this with you guys on how to do this. And then you trim it, whatever length you want. Pull it off the thing, and look what a cute bow you have. This is one I made earlier using 2 forks tied together, and this is with 1 fork. So it works. This tool works really great. Enjoy.